And these 8 themes are the main themes in which we want that our people who are engaged in these 8 themes, how they improve their livelihood. That is the ultimate aim, because we have already created the SNGs, we have created the institutions, but we are still unable to give them the scale up their livelihood activities, where the income generation reaches a point where we can say that now they don't need any support. That's the point. I hope you are aware of the grass reality in Bihar and all.
From the state through a competitive process, supported 5 of them financially and helped implement their innovations.
तो जब एक बार कोई चीज इनोवेशन के माध्यम से लोगों के सामने आती है, तो फिर रेप्लिकेट लोग उसको जो कॉपी करते हैं, लोग उसका अनुसरण करते हैं। इसलिए बिहार के विकास में बिहार इनोवेशन फोरम का एक योगदान रहा है और आगे आने वाले दिन और बड़ा योगदान उसका हो सकता है।
To end problems of low yield and hunger, Jeevika supported NGO Pradhan to spread the word on systems of rice and wheat intensification via community programs. Now systems of root intensification has been scaled up throughout the state and is part of the agriculture roadmap of Bihar.
बिहार सरकार के अंतर्गत 3.5 लाख हेक्टेयर हुआ आपका 2011-12 में, और इस बार उनका जो प्लान है
Has an expanded pan-India scope. Jeevika will award nearly 35 innovations from across India, across themes like agriculture, livestock, financial services, non-farm sectors, skill enhancement, rural energy, ICT-based solutions, improved access to public entitlements, access to public services like health, water and sanitation between now and May.
और मैं ये विश्वास दिलाना चाहूँगा कि संपूर्ण राज्य सरकार सारे जो सामाजिक सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं उनके पीछे खड़ा रहेगा और उनके साथ हाथ मिला के हम लोग बिहार की तस्वीर बदलना चाहेंगे।
The second Bihar Innovation Forum, brought to you by Jeevika in collaboration with the State Innovation Council Bihar. For more information,
with support of Government of India and the World Bank, the organization has been designated as State Rural Livelihood Mission, that is SRLM, to roll out National Rural Livelihood Mission in Bihar. With a financial outlay of 9200 crore, the program aims to improve the livelihood of rural poor through social and economic empowerment. The BRLPS recruits professionals through the open market, campus recruitment and deputation. It has a total staff strength of more than 1,500 employees who are stationed at village, block, district and state levels. The BRLPS has also hired and inducted more than 125 young professionals from premium.
We can replicate in Bihar among the rural poor over there for enhancement of their livelihood. That's the ultimate aim for which Jeevika is working with the World Bank. We expect many applications from this part of the nation, because we know there are many innovators here and some of the innovations might be quite useful for the rural poor of Bihar. So I would like to use your August channel, your all the news, everything, whatever you do, to inform and inform all the innovators who want to participate in it, to log on to our website, fill the applications and try to be a part of the developmental activity of Bihar. I assure you that we'll go through this program and it will be very remunerative for all the innovators also, because the remuneration may not be in amount, but the type of target group is their group. It's beyond imagination. We have right now 9 districts in Bihar, 55 blocks which are fully saturated with SMGs. And from this year onwards, since we are working on state rural livelihood missions, is to be implemented by Jivika. We are now going in all the 38 districts, all the 535 blocks, and so you can just imagine the coverage. So I expect, if you have anything to ask, you may please ask to us. Thank you.